1 o'clock. I don't think this says 1 o'clock. Even though it's really interesting, this hammer post right here in Anaheim and this clock. I love it. It looks like a little pocket watch. On a search for some coffee. I'm not gonna go by that time, because that time is wrong. But the hammer points the way. What's happening, everybody? Danny Punk's Life here in Anaheim, California. Right behind me, you're gonna see rinks. Pretty cool, man. This is where they have an ice rink. Obviously representing the Anaheim Ducks, which is really cool, man. My favorite team. We got to see them last night. We got our butts handed to us. Well, not handed to us. It was a great game. We went overtime. We still lost. But this is cool. They still got Getsy up there. That's always neat. And right here, Harbor Lofts. Get some apartments or something right here in the middle of Anaheim. I'm on the search for some coffee, but kind of exploring the area. See, it looks like a hangar right here. This is awesome. Look at our old captain right there. Just zoom in on that stud's face. You have Solani right there. I can't tell. It looks like Gibby. Check out this D right here for the Ducks. And one cool thing is they have little practice spots right here, painted like the ice itself. Has a goal right here. This is awesome. Center ice, left, right, center. Really standing on the center of the street hockey. This is street hockey right here. Those are the rinks, which they have hockey in there. Ice skating for the public, figure skating, you know, blade sharpenings, what have you. I'm pretty sure they sell a bunch of sports memorabilia, but way cool. And it happens to be my favorite team. So you have a hammer right here, and then you got the nails and a little anvil right over here. This little area, this is really neat. This is cool. As I'm making my way to the coffee shop, look at this little birdhouse thing. Well, I showed to my destination and it was a fail. I was going to Requiem Coffee, Tea, and Fantasy, but looks like it ain't happening today. It's okay. We just go on to somewhere else. Why is the rum gone? Got these drum barrels. Looks like some type of pirate bar right here, which is pretty neat. Outdoor seating. But making my way back. Making my way back to my car. You could look at the First Presbyterian Church right there, right off Broadway. Pretty neat looking. You can tell this is an old church. Two songs come to mind when I see the hammer. I think of "The Hammer Will Fall" by Metal Church, and the Anvil, Metal on Metal. You got this little sandwich right here playing a guitar. He's just rocking out. Got his pedals. The Effector Market. Dude, there's nothing worse when you have two vlogs planned and they're both bust. One was a little exciting, which I'll get to that eventually, but this one, a coffee shop closed. It's Monday, people. It's Monday. I need my coffee. I need it. It's like my crack, dude. It's all I take now is coffee and water. A little disappointed so far, but hey, at least we were exploring this area in Anaheim, seeing things I've never seen before. That's really cool. So I can't complain too much. Let's get some coffee. Here at Presso Tea. You know, if I want to make a trip, but this place is very neat inside. It's right down the street from that other place, but so far I like the inside of this. Look how neat this is. This must be some old town folk from Anaheim from the past before. Celebrating the early Commerce and Family Business Establishment Center Street. It looks like an old New York type style building, so it's pretty dang awesome. And this is what we're working with, Presso tea. I went with the house coffee, and let's give it a go. Ooh, that is strong and good. They asked me if I wanted sweet, and I said, nah, I like my coffee black, but clearly that is not black. That is some condensed milk in there, but it says it here, stay fresh. I'm always fresh. Here's a good look at the outside right here. Like kind of like a little food court area. They have a couple little restaurants in here, a couple cafes, Mexican cuisine, Presso, and another cafe, K&A Cafe, it says right there. Boom. But yeah, it's nice. I like this. Pretty chill, pretty hipster. So it's starting to get warm again, and yeah, summer is definitely coming, and it's coming fast. We had winter this entire time in California, but now summer is ahead of us. But it's a nice day here in Anaheim. You know, call it my third home. First Inland Empire, San Diego, and Orange County. So maybe one day I can incorporate another state in there, which would be awesome. I really like Arizona, but I also like Hawaii and Washington, but I don't know, I just want to go where there's some cool vibes. You know, we'll see one day. But so far what I'm seeing around this area is pretty neat, man. A bunch of buildings. I'm pretty sure these used to be banks, or like I said, the commerce people first here, the first comers. I bet you this place, I'm pretty sure these places were banks at one point. Put my money on it, try to dig up some history on it. I know there are definitely restaurants, because according to these photos, there was restaurants and banks and more little like barber shops and neat grocery, like little stores and stuff. So that's cool. I'm enjoying my coffee. It's good, but strong. No, she wasn't joking. She's like, this is really strong coffee. And I said, hook it up, because I need it. Especially after yesterday. Oh yeah, I definitely need this. Right here off Lemon Street. Cool little lounge area. Right in front of Craft. Yeah, it's right here, just in the middle of Anaheim. Be little houses again. Little puppers over there. Well, this was a pretty fun adventure. Now it's time to make my way back to my car and get up out of here. All this walking, I worked up an appetite. I'm gonna get some lunch here at the Anaheim Packing House. This place is pretty neat if you've never been here. It's a bunch of food courts, a bunch of different types of, you know, cultural type foods, and you know, goods, teas, coffees, beers. Wait a minute, maybe not beers. I really don't know. Maybe beer. I don't know. It's been a good minute since I have been in here. But one fun fact about this place is that it used to be the Sunkist facility. Sunkist, like the orange sodas facilities, because this is Orange County, as you know, and they are known for the citrusy treats, such as oranges and lemons and grapefruits and all that good stuff. Let's go get some food. When you walk in, you are greeted by these big giant roosters. These are some of the biggest roosters I have ever seen. And this is the inside of it right here. Inside the packing district. Bunch of foreign types of grills and all that stuff. But pretty cool. Got me a sandwich and gonna enjoy my lunch outside. Stopped right here at the Black Sheep, and that's what I got. The garden goat. Yeah, it comes with maple bread, goat cheese, caramelized onions, sun-dried tomatoes, and pesto. Looks delicious. I don't know if you know this, Mr. Sheep, but we do have something in common. Can you guess what that is? This place has little bird houses too. Awesome. So I stand corrected, there is indeed a bar here. So there's alcohol, just you can't take it outside. So drink up, my friends. Cheers. The bag is secured. Now it's time to get my munch on. So it's like the theme of the day of just ultimate fails, but it's okay. Like I said, it's the day after Easter, and we're not gonna let this bring us down. Didn't fail too hard in here. They just asked me not to record inside the packing house, which is fine. It's cool. They have rules, regulations. Probably don't want press or something. I don't know. Make money off of them. But let's eat. Because this goat cheese, sun-dried tomato pesto sandwich I got looks mwah. I'm doing good. So I got a water and a sandwich. So pretty excited about that. I mean, well, I ate breakfast earlier, but this is exciting. You're gonna see this. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Look at all that Gouda on there. That goat cheese. That looks delicioso. The sun-dried tomato and then pesto. Let's get right into this. Oh, so good. So good. I normally don't like eating in front of people, especially on camera. But my buddy Jaime, go check him out. I'll leave a link for his YouTube channel down below. He recommended this. Thank you, bud. Love you, man. Keep on doing great work. This bite's for you. So I'm not gonna lie, that's probably the best. That, you know, in fact, that is the best grilled cheese sandwich I've ever had in my life. Super good. 10 out of 10. I don't usually do food reviews on all that, once in a while, but that is pretty damn good. Come out here, Black Sheep, Packing House District, Anaheim, California, or Orange, or whatever this place is. Come out, check it out. Sunkissed Facilities, 1919 Facilities. This is Sunkissed, this is Smart Water, but back to the sandwich. Yeah, what can I say? Yeah, I'm 32 years old. I play with my food like a little kid. So what? As stated, that sandwich did not stand a chance. Goodbye, giant chickens. It has been real. No pets. Also, shh, around 9. Private property. So no smoking marijuana and no skateboards allowed. What a crime. Right outside right here. Looks like a nice little Asian cuisine. Probably take the wife here next time. Look at this. Pretty neat. They have this little farmer's park area where you can kind of lounge, have some lunch, play some ping pong. Looks like that's a bar right there called the Spartan Bar. Another restaurant called Poppy and Seed. Haven't been to the packing district in a good minute, so I definitely gotta take the wife here one of these days. Oh, look at a little squirrel here. Hello, squirrel. How you doing? You look startled. Checking the size of those tires out. Oh, I've been spotted. Oh, he's coming at me. He's coming at me. Uh-oh. And that's gonna do it here today in Anaheim. Had a good time, you know, a little bust, but hey, that's life. Life goes on. We got a good sandwich and enjoyed the good views and the nice cool shade. Now it's time to go home and relax and eat some tacos. The vlog is over.